Hey everyone, welcome to Passive Money, where we turn dreams into streams of income. Today we're diving into the exciting world of e-commerce, specifically focusing on the profitable trends for 2024. If you've ever dreamed of starting an online business or are looking to adapt your current venture for the coming year, this video is your roadmap to success. Let's start with a big question. What makes e-commerce so promising in 2024? The answer lies in its incredible adaptability and evolving consumer behavior. With advancements in technology and changes in how people shop, there's a wealth of opportunities awaiting those who know where to look. Now, the first trend to watch is the rise of personalized shopping experiences. In 2024, consumers want more than just products. They desire a shopping experience that feels tailor-made for them. Businesses using AI to analyze customer data can provide personalized product recommendations, tailored email marketing, and even customized discounts. Tools like Salesforce and Adobe Experience Cloud are fantastic for this, offering insights that can transform your customer's shopping experience. Remember, the more personal the experience, the stronger the customer loyalty. But how do you start with personalization? Well, start small. Use email marketing tools like MailChimp or ConvertKit to segment your audience and tailor your messages. These platforms are user-friendly and can significantly increase your sales through personalized communication. Another big trend is the integration of social media and e-commerce. Social selling is not just about posting product photos on Instagram or Facebook. It's about creating engaging content that tells a story. Platforms like Shopify now integrate directly with social media, allowing customers to shop directly from your posts. It's a game changer for boosting online sales. And if you're enjoying this video, don't forget to subscribe to Passive Money for more insightful content like this. Now, let's talk sustainability. Consumers are increasingly eco-conscious, and they want to buy from brands that reflect their values. This means using sustainable materials, adopting eco-friendly practices, and even using green shipping methods. Websites like EcoCart and GreenStory offer solutions for making your business more sustainable and transparent, which can be a huge selling point for your brand. The fourth trend is the ever-growing world of mobile commerce. With more people shopping on their phones, optimizing your website for mobile is no longer optional. Tools like Google's mobile-friendly test can help you see how your site performs on mobile devices. Simple changes, like improving loading speeds and making navigation more touch-friendly, can significantly boost your mobile sales. E-commerce in 2024 is also about omnichannel selling. This means having your products available not just on your website, but on multiple platforms. From Amazon to Etsy, and even on social media marketplaces, the more places your products appear, the higher your chances of making a sale. Tools like BigCommerce and Magento offer excellent solutions for managing your inventory across different platforms. As we continue, let's explore the potential of dropshipping. It's a business model where you sell products without holding inventory. Platforms like Oberlo and Salewho can connect you with suppliers who handle the inventory and shipping for you. It's a great way to start in e-commerce with minimal upfront investment. Next up, affiliate marketing, a trend that's still going strong. In 2024, it's all about creating authentic content that genuinely helps your audience. Think of starting a YouTube channel or a blog where you review products and include affiliate links. The key is to build trust with your audience, and platforms like Share a Sale or Amazon Associates can help you find products to promote. But let's not forget about customer service. In the digital age, quick and helpful customer service can be the deciding factor for a customer choosing your brand. Tools like Zendesk and Freshdesk can help you manage customer queries efficiently and effectively, ensuring a positive experience for your shoppers. In addition to these trends, understanding the power of SEO in e-commerce is crucial. In 2024, SEO isn't just about keywords. It's about creating content that answers your customers' questions. Tools like SEMrush and Ahrefs are invaluable for researching keywords and tracking your site's performance. Blogging about topics related to your products. Using relevant keywords and providing valuable information can boost your site's visibility and drive more organic traffic. Another key aspect is leveraging video content. With platforms like YouTube and TikTok, creating engaging product demonstrations, how-to guides, and behind-the-scenes looks at your business can drive substantial traffic. Remember, it's not just about selling a product. It's about creating a connection with your audience. And speaking of connections, let's talk about building a community. Platforms like Facebook groups or Discord can be instrumental in creating a space where your customers can engage with each other and your brand. This fosters loyalty and can even provide you with invaluable feedback on your products and services. Lastly, consider the importance of data analysis in e-commerce. Tools like Google Analytics provide a wealth of information on your customers' behavior. By understanding what your customers are looking at, where they're dropping off, and what they're buying, you can make informed decisions to optimize your store and increase sales. As we conclude, remember that the landscape of e-commerce is always evolving. Staying informed and adaptable is key to your success. We hope this video has provided you with valuable insights into the e-commerce trends for 2024. If you're ready to turn your dreams into profitable streams of income, don't forget to like, subscribe, and join us at Passive Money for more empowering content.